Craft Inspector is a brand new, powerful 4-in-1 Etsy research software for uncovering top performing shops and best selling products in just minutes. All from a single desktop software in just a few simple steps. Enter your main keywords into the keyword generator and click go, and then pump out hundreds or even thousands of top searched keywords directly from the Etsy auto suggest engine. Optionally, import keyword search volume, cost per click, and keyword competition data from free resources, as well as quickly see keyword trends at just a click of a mouse. Next, enter any search phrase into the product search tool to instantly pull back 26 different data points for every single product. And with a few clicks, you can instantly reveal the top number of sales, ratings, reviews, product tags, and 20 plus more other important metrics you cannot get with any other tool online. Preview products directly inside the data grid, in the HTML table report, or the HTML feed report. Having troubles trying to figure out what to search for? Well, no problem, we got you covered. Select from over 1,100 built-in categories to uncover the top performing products and shops in just seconds. Simply click one or more categories and Craft Inspector reveals the top selling products and shops across those given categories. No searching required. Just click and go. I mean, it can't get any easier than that. Even narrow down your search results with shop location, ship to country, minimum and maximum price, page ranges, and how to retrieve the data. Even remove ads from the results or only extract Etsy ads to see what other marketers are promoting on Etsy. Here's another amazing feature. If you have some other resource where you like to browse Etsy products, just copy the text directly into our special link scraper tool and let Craft Inspector grab all the data for you. And don't worry, we show you some pretty awesome examples in our training videos. Now, we didn't stop there. You can also uncover the secrets behind any successful shop on Etsy using the Shop Search tool. Simply enter your keyword and instantly pull back 12 data points for each and every single shop in just seconds. From here, you can see the top selling shops with the most reviews. You can quickly inspect all of their external resource links to see where they're getting their traffic from, and instantly see which shops allow you to see their recent product sales with the click of a mouse. There is nothing on the planet that provides this amount of product and shop data from Etsy. And if you thought that was cool, well, check this out. You can dig even deeper into any shop on Etsy using the built-in Shop Analyzer tool. For any given shop on Etsy, you can extract all of the shop product data in a single data grid, and then instantly uncover top performing shop sections using the product grouping feature. In the world of Etsy and most other e-commerce networks, keywords or tags are the lifeblood of your shop sales. Including best tag keywords in your product pages is extremely vital to improving your natural and paid traffic. So I built in two amazingly powerful tools that help you uncover those profit-rich tags you need in your product pages. With a single click, you could instantly see all of the top tags across unlimited products, or a group of products, or products in a given shop section. Imagine instantly knowing which sections in a given shop are getting the most sales. Pretty awesome, wouldn't you agree? If you sell on Etsy, you can dramatically improve your SEO by instantly seeing if your product listings contain duplicate tags or even unused tags. Plus, you can also use the built-in product title analyzer tool. With this tool, you can quickly identify profitable keyword phrases by analyzing keyword combinations in product titles, and then use those keywords in your own product titles, tags, and descriptions. And this will dramatically improve your traffic and sales to your product pages. It has never been easier to uncover unlimited top products and shops on Etsy than ever before using the Craft Inspector software. Stop spending hours researching or spending thousands on analytic reports and let Craft Inspector uncover the product secrets you have been looking for. Most product research tools charge monthly fees, but with Craft Inspector, there is only a one-time payment with no recurring payments ever. Plus, you get full access to all features in Craft Inspector with no limits. Unlike other software companies, we are not locking hidden features that can only be purchased in a Pro or Elite software version. With Craft Inspector, you get full access with no limits and no monthly payments whatsoever. During this special discount offer, we are also including a commercial license allowing you to use the software to conduct product or shop research as a service for your clients and keep 100% of the income. I mean, just imagine in just a few hours from now, you could be selling research reports on sites like Fiverr for $100, $500, or even thousands of dollars. Plus, you will also get an outsource license allowing you to install the software on 10 computers for you and your team, including partners, support staff, employees, or your outsourced team. But wait, there's actually more. If you decide to take action during our discount period, you will also get 4 additional bonuses showing you how to start and run your very own Etsy business, as well as how to promote your offers using Facebook. Now remember, after this discount period ends, the price will increase and you will miss out on this incredible deal. You can even try out Craft Inspector for 30 days, and if you are not satisfied in any way, we'll refund your order with no hassles whatsoever. Start taking your product research to the next level and let Craft Inspector uncover the top-selling products and shops from the massively popular Etsy marketplace. Thanks for your time, and thanks for choosing Craft Inspector.